Tired of running out of cash to invest in more properties? Ever been denied funding because your business is simply too new? If this is the case, I may have the perfect solution for you, so keep watching. One of the easiest ways to build a multi-million-dollar net worth is through real estate. With good credit, banks will lend up to 70 to 80% on average, unless it's owner occupied. In those cases, you may get all the money you need. But what's not easy is getting the remaining funds needed to make the down payment to secure your first investment property, because virtually no bank out there will let you finance the down payment. Typically, the most common way new investors get help with the down payment is either through friends, family, or simply by wiping out all of their own cash savings. Unfortunately, this means when you run out of funds, you can't buy more properties, which obviously dramatically limits your investment potential. In terms of real estate investing, one of the best solutions for this is to use OPM. Get real familiar with this term, newbies. It's what we call other people's money. How do you get OPM? By accessing business capital, then using this instead of burning your own cash. You see, one thing you'll notice, however, is that most banks will require you to have some skin in the game. They want to know that you have reasonable time in business. Although it's not the only factor, lenders prefer more time in business as this decreases their risk in comparison to lending money to a brand new business. And one of the best solutions to this problem I've found is by purchasing a credit-ready, aged shelf corporation, which will give you instant time in business, allowing you to get the unsecured funding you need to keep buying more real estate uninterrupted. And you can use this unsecured business funding any way you like. No one's going to ask you what you plan to do with this money. No bank telling you that 100% of the funds are to be used to buy said specific property. As long as it's being used for business purposes, you're good. But in this case, you'll be using these funds for the down payment on real estate. When you purchase an aged shelf corp, not only do you instantly obtain the necessary time in business, but with the right credibility features, this will also significantly increase your ability to be approved for corporate credit and financing. This is because 90% of your business credit scores are simply ways to predict the likelihood that your corporation will go out of business within the next 24 months. So when you go to apply for unsecured stated income business funding, which includes unsecured corporate credit cards, unsecured business loans, and also unsecured business lines of credit, again, no one is going to tell you no or slam the door in your face simply because your business is too new. I'm telling you guys, this happens all the time. The big banks will tell you to come back later once you're tall enough, like there's some ride at the carnival or Disney World.
Hello, fellow adult. I am clearly above the minimum height requirement and shall now ride your roller coaster for which you are an attendant.
You don't believe me? Try it yourself. So buying an aged shelf corporation solves this problem instantly, as opposed to waiting many years to reach your desired funding capacity rather than taking the usual route. And matter of fact, time out. Real quick, guys, do me a favor, and if you've ever been denied due to time in business restrictions, or if you've ever been told to come back once your business is older, let me know right now in the comment. Drop a quick testimonial to let me know how that went. With that being said, as I stated on my previous video earlier this week, I've checked out all of the aged shelf corporation suppliers. There's not many to begin with, but in my opinion, I think you guys should check out wholesale-shelfcorporations.com. The main reason I say this is because they will assist you in setting up all of the credibility features needed to get your newly purchased aged shelf corp ready to apply for business funding, including an 80 paydebt score with Dun & Bradstreet, which is critical to maximizing your RCL, which is your maximum recommended credit limit. They also have excellent ratings on their Google business profile and all of the other review sites that I checked out. When you buy an aged shelf corporation, It's critical to make sure it's credit ready, and wholesale shelf corporations will help you get all that established. Just buying a shelf corp with aged won't do anything. It's not enough. You have to follow through and make sure it's credit ready, which can be a very tedious and time-consuming process if you try to do it all yourself. Now, of course, if you prefer to just do it yourself using the business credit building methods I teach on my channel and in my course, that's no problem. However, they'll help you save a lot of time, headaches, and avoid making expensive mistakes. Now, additionally, just a few more reasons why I chose to highlight this option. Number one, you'll get to build a solid business credit profile, which will also help boost your FICO SBSS score. Second, it allows you to protect your assets from creditors and facilitate estate planning. 3, you'll instantly be able to qualify to bid on government contracts, which is huge, as we know. You'll instantly get credibility with potential partners and suppliers. And then last, for all of my international businesses out there, you'll get automatic entry to be able to do business in the United States without the typical red tape. WholesaleShelfCorporations.com does have the largest inventory of credit-ready shelf corporations. However, they only release a small portion of their inventory at a time while keeping the names of the businesses private so they won't be indexed by the search engines. The process is pretty simple. You simply browse their inventory to find a credit-ready aged shelf corp of your liking. Each one shows the state it's located in, the age, the estimated funding capacity, and the price. If you find something you like, go ahead and reserve it. Or if you need help, you can always book a free analysis to figure out which one meets your needs. It's really that simple. To view their inventory of aged shelf corps and get a discount, because they are running a promotion right now, when I looked at their website, you can go ahead and head on over to tinyurl.com/aged-shelf corps to go ahead and purchase you a shelf corp if you're in the market. And again, if you decide to do so, those corporation documents will be delivered via email and certified mail within 24 hours. I understand that this may not be the perfect solution for everyone, but again, if you have a brand new business and you want to be able to continue to invest in real estate without any limitations or running out of cash, then getting that instant time in business and credibility will certainly help you out. And as I always tell you guys in each and every single one of my videos, or at least I try to, shameless plug, if any of you need help repairing your personal credit, definitely check out the link in the description below where you can go ahead and schedule a free credit consultation with me or my assistant Via at GreenScale Credit. We would certainly love to help you out. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever time of the day it is. Thanks for watching.